Mr. Bell is getting married.
Yes?
Moo! I've finished mowing the grass, Madam Gazelle.
Very good, Mr. Bull. Will we see you again tomorrow?
No, I can't do tomorrow.
Oh, taking a day off. I'm glad to hear it. Are you doing something nice?
I'm getting married.
What? Well, who to?
Mrs. Cow. We are very much in love.
Well, why didn't you tell me before?
I didn't think you'd be that interested.
Of course I am interested. Everyone will be interested. This is very important. It's always last minute. Oh, people never consider.
Hello, Madam Gazelle. What? Is he married? Oh, that's fantastic news. Hello? Hello? You'll never guess what.
Marvellous! Champion!
Oh, that's nice. Madame Gazelle, what's going on?
Mr. Bull is getting married.
Oh, what does getting married mean? It's when there's a big party called a wedding, and two people promise to love each other forever. And that's it. Job done. Then they argue about who is washing the dishes. I saw someone get married on TV once. They stand up and say yes, and then they kiss. Yuck! I don't think I want to get married.
Hold time, children.
But we only just got here, Madame Gazelle.
There's too much to do, Danny. I have to get ready. Everybody has to get ready. Action stations. Mr. Bull and Mrs. Cow getting married?
How did you know that?
Everyone knows, Peppa. It's the biggest news in town.
Any more news?
No, not yet.
Wait for me, Aunt George!
It is Mr. Bull and Mrs. Cow.
Oh!
Congratulations! What are you doing here? We were hoping that Peppa might be the bridesmaid.
Oh, yes, please! What's that?
The bridesmaid is the bride's special friend for the day.
Who's the bride?
That's me. Come in. Oh, how do you look so calm?
So, tell us, where are you getting married?
Oh, just somewhere outside.
If the weather's nice.
Getting a wedding ready is such a lot of work.
It must have taken ages to get ready.
Oh, we haven't done anything yet. What do you mean? What about the cake?
No, we haven't got a cake. You need a wedding cake.
I like cake!
And what about the dress?
Oh.
You need a wedding dress? Do I? Yes!
Yes. And what about the wedding rings? Oh, I knew there was something I'd forgotten.
You can't get married without wedding rings. I suppose those things would be nice. But they're not just nice. They are important.
It's not a wedding without a cake, a dress, and rings.
But how can we organise all of that by tomorrow?
It's impossible!
How will Mr. Bull and Mrs. Cow get a cake, a dress and wedding rings in time for their wedding?